and then we will mark off something for tomorrow. Cool? All right, so this is on page 133, I believe. And we're using the contingency table. So this was talking about the different oceans that we have. And then you had category 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this said we have 20, 16, 10, 16, 8, 4, 10, 6, 2, 5, 5, 1, and 2, 4, 1. So then you have a total, that's all the category 1s, total of category 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s. And then total hurricanes would be 110. And 53, 39, and 18. All right, so that's the information given. So they want us to calculate, for problem number 1, they want us to calculate the expected and chi-square value for category 3 Pacific hurricanes. All right, so we'll do this in a yellow. So I want, do what? 7-4. Hi, Gio. Good. So if we have category 3 Pacific, that's the number we're talking about that we're going to do. Okay? So that's why I did it in yellow. So we're going to have our observed being 6, and then our expected, and then our chi-squared equals. All right, so how do we do the expected with that? Remember? Row times the column divided by the what? Divided by the total. So row total times column total divided by the total. Row total. So row total is this way. So this is row total.
Wait, it's row horizontal or vertical?
Horizontal. Columns vertical. So that's what we're using here. Divided by the overall total. So if I do that math, that should come out to 6.38. If I did my math right. So that's the expected. And then the chi-squared value. The chi-squared value, remember, is the observed minus the expected, quantity squared over the expected. So the observed in this case would have been 6 minus the expected, which is 6.38, quantity squared, divided by the expected. And I just want to make sure the math that I have here is right. So let me pull my calculator up.
What is the total again? Like the one in the bottom.
Oh, that was the wrong one.
And also everything.
Okay. I don't know why I just double click on that. Okay. What are you looking at?
Like at the total, where they like row times column.
So row times column over the total. The total is 110 hurricanes total.
Oh, okay.
And let's get rid of this one. Try to get rid of that. Okay. So I'm going to go 6 minus, so 0.38 squared. 0.38 squared divided by 6.38. And so that's going to give us 0.38 squared, I meant. divided by 6.38. So that comes out to 0.0226. So that means that our chi-squared on this would be 0.0226. All right. So we're not using yet any of the CDF stuff. Okay. So then I'm going to come down and do number 2. Number 2, they say we want to calculate the observed and expected and chi-square value for Category 5 Atlantic hurricanes. Okay, so we'll highlight this in a different color. We'll do this one in pink. All right, so we want Atlantic hurricanes, Category 5. So that's the number we're looking at there. So then we're going to go and just do the exact same thing. So our observed is 2. Our expected is the row total, 7 times the, row total is 53. Not that it would make a difference, but just keep it constant. And then the column total is 7 divided by the 110. And so that number should come out to 3.37. So that's what we're expecting to get. And then if we're looking for the chi-squared, so that's chi-squared. If we're looking for the chi-squared, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to go observed. Observed was 2 minus the expected, 3.37, quantity squared divided by 3.37. And if we do that math, the chi-squared value there is going to be 0.557. Okay. And again, we're not plugging this into the calculator yet, doing normal CDF or anything like that. Is there a question over here? No. Okay. Hope your day was good yesterday, friends.
Great day yesterday. How was your day?
You know, it was awesome.
It was so warm that I felt like a sunburn on my
At work, I was in the window for the first half of the shift, and it's so hot.
Oh, wow.
Like that, I have never experienced working in the heat. I'm used to working in -2 degrees.
All right, number three.
Number 3.
Number 3. So calculate the expected and the chi-squared value for Category 2 Indian Ocean. So we'll do this one in blue. So if I go back up, I want the Indian Ocean Category 2, which is this one. Okay, so just trying to keep it neat. So we're going to go pen. I'm sure I'll use calligraphy pen. So I'm going to go observed is 4. The expected is the row total. Row total is 18 times the column total, which is 38. And then divided by the 110. And that's going to give me an answer of 6.22. And my chi-squared value will be the observed, which was 2. Is that what it was? 4. Minus the expected, quantity squared, divided by the expected. So that'll give me chi-squared is equal to 0.7923. Okay, so pretty straightforward on this stuff. And then problem number 4, just extend the page. Problem number 4 says, explain the meaning of the expected value if you found in problem 3 in context. Okay, so problem 3 was, this is our expected values. We would expect on average 6.22. What was that? That was Category 2. In hurricanes in Indian Ocean. Cool. Yee-haw, friends. All right, so being that that should have everyone pretty much caught up who's here and was here yesterday. If you weren't here yesterday, this should have caught you up. The video is up there. But what I'd like you to work on is I want you to finish. So all the rest of 7-4. So it looks like, make sure you have 1 through 9 all done. You have the rest of the period to work on it. Again, friends, you realize I'm giving you the opportunity to not have any more homework in my class if you choose to have the opportunity to work on it during class. And I'll check this off. This will be marked off tomorrow. We'll check tomorrow. Good? For which one? 5? Yeah, you say there's no difference, and then there is a difference. So you're null, no difference. There isn't a difference. We want better grammar. Yeah.
On the back end, the totals count as their own cells, or is it
You'll be
just
on the
like?
pack.
Where are we looking? I'm sorry.
Smells really good.
On the back, so the totals do not count as cells. So that's just first, second, third crew, and then alive, dead. Those, alive, dead are 2 columns. First, second, third crew are your columns. Alive and dead are your rows. Don't count the totals in there.
Alright, thank you. Wait, don't. It's too early for this.
I usually want to, but like I'm little.
I don't want to, but.
Why? No.
That's what I was thinking.
Do your work, bro. This is being checked up.
I don't think cry. No, I don't think there's a word.
No, ours.
Yeah. Isn't that weird? My bad.
Yeah, that's kind of ruins like every all over.
Let her live here. Are you actually?
He's on Safari.
What's wrong with you? Not valid.
Sorry, I had to talk smack to the guys in Arizona. Who's calling me?
What does having a big chi-square mean?
Which one are you looking at?
Isn't that 9B?
Big chi-square. So the bigger the chi-square, if survival did not depend on the class, on board ship, the number of crew that died was the biggest surprise. So it's the bigger surprise if you have the bigger chi-square.
I got 3
The
letters.
less expected it is. The last one?
Shocking values.
Oh, wait.
No.
Oh, I got the last 3. Oh, wait, actually, no.